Looking for premium modest fashion and digital tools to grow your brand? You're in the right place. From Instagram story bundles to media kits and business plans, get Canva-ready templates designed for the modern entrepreneur. Instantly editable, professionally crafted, and ready to make your brand shine. Our Mhouto collection brings you premium athletic wear and everyday essentials. The classic pullover hoodie and performance sports tee combine comfort with style, perfect for the active, modest lifestyle. At Mhouto, we believe in empowering your journey, whether you're building your brand, creating content, or living your best life. Quality products, premium design, and tools that work as hard as you do. Ready to elevate your brand and wardrobe? Are you ready to take your brand to the next level? Head over to mhouto.com right now. You'll find the link in the description below. Browse our full collection of digital templates, from Instagram stories to business plans, plus our premium apparel line. And here's the best part. We ship internationally, so no matter where you are, Mhouto can reach you. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest products, tips, and inspiration. Drop a comment below.